Just doing a full tour of all the washing machines and washer dryers at Currys PC World in Barnsley. So we have a Samsung 9 kilo auto dose with the fabric softener, auto dose and liquid. Let's have a look. Looks quite decent. I like the ad wash. Next along we have another Samsung. This one's one of the latest ones. 900 quid. Decouplable digital inverter auto dose. Another Samsung. And now one older styles. This one does not have ad wash. Another Samsung. Oh, this one does have ad wash, which is nice. Another Samsung. One of the re-engineered ones. The e-droppable smart fins. Another Samsung. Another Samsung. Oh, our first LG. 10 kilos. LG. LG ThinQ. ThinQ is basically the auto dose version. Another LG, 13 kilograms. That is massive. Nine kilo. I've yeah. Another LG. Now another row. Oh, a Bosch IDOS. Very nice machine. Series 8. Oh, this one's a washer dryer. Oh no, it's a washing machine. Another Bosch IDOS. Series 6. 10 kilos. Very nice. Bosch IDOS Series 6. Iron Assist. Another Bosch Iron Assist. 9 kilogram anti-stain. Oh, one at Bosch Eco Silence Drive. 9 kilograms. Oh, it comes to a sample pack of Ariel Platinum. Another Bosch. These are Becro. Oh, our first Hoover. Nice. Not bad. Oh, hey, I've never heard of these ones before. Very cool that looks. Oh, Hot Point. Oh, 11 kilo. I have the 9 kilogram capacity machine. Oh, 9 kilograms. This is what I have. Everyone recognize it? 7 kilograms. One in black as well. Excuse me.
Sorry, mate.
That's fine. Now onto washer dryers. Heat pump technology dryer. Another washer. Another washer. Oh, our first Indesit. Inverter motor, 7 kilogram, yep. Oh, our Samsung e-droppable. The ones I like. LG, Bosch. Oh, Hisense. Oh, look at that. We got a Becco. And our final lot, so we got hot point, Hoover, a Becco. Oh, an Indesit here. And a Logic and a Logic. That's it.